What's going on, guys? In today's video, we are going to be installing swivel seats in the Sprinter van. So the first thing you need to do is to disconnect your battery. If you don't do this, then when you remove your seat, you're going to throw a code and it's a pain. So make sure you guys disconnect that, wait about 10 minutes, and then go ahead and disconnect your seat. From there, you're going to find 4 bolts that you are going to remove, and that will let you lift the seat up and out of place. With your swivel, you're going to go ahead and bolt the base of it to where the seat was originally bolted to. Now, the swivel came with its own hardware, so make sure that you use this hardware and not the original hardware because your swivel won't work. It's also helpful to swivel it part way so you can get to all 4 corners like I did in the video. From there, lift the seat back on. And then fish the bolts through, hand tighten down, and then snug it with a wrench and an impact or a ratchet if you don't have an impact. Then slide the seat back so you can get to the front and repeat the same process. You might have to use a wrench instead of a socket here just because of the tight space. I then moved to the back and followed the same exact procedure. Now it's time to remove this plastic piece so I can get to the bolts where the e-brake bolts to the frame of the seat. I have to use a lowering bracket so that there is more clearance for the seat to swivel around, which is provided with the swivel packet. I went ahead and hand threaded these on and then tightened them down with my impact. I then fished these bolts through with the backer plate provided and then snugged those to the lowering bracket. Now I had to trim some of this plastic so that cover would fit. I've seen people have to cut more than what I had to cut, so make sure you guys take note of where the plastic might need to be cut with a Sharpie or something, and then use a saw or whatever to cut it and snap it back into place. Once it's all said and done, you have your seat swivel to use. Then I reconnected the seat back so I didn't throw a code when reconnecting the chassis, and then moved to the passenger side, which is honestly a lot easier because you don't have the e-brake to deal with. It's essentially the same exact process that I showed before, so now that is all I have for today's video. I know it was short and sweet, and I know I've missed the last few weeks, but it's because I've been working hard on this new remodel. So if you guys want to see what I have coming up, then make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and the bell icon to be notified when I post the next videos where we are going to be diving into all of the cabinetry that we have been working on for this new van. So I will see you guys in next week's video.